Today, in a world as pink as bubblegum, babies and their pets were having the time of their lives. They giggled and played in their friend the princess's magnificent pink castle.
Pink, everything pink.
The castle was so pink, even the clouds around it looked like cotton candy. But oh no, what's that smell? Old socks? Uh-oh.
Too pink. This simply won't do. Hee 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 ha ha.
With a flick of her wand, she cast a brown spell. Oh my! The pink castle turned brown. The whole world became dull and dreary.
No more pink. Boo-hoo!
Even the princess's sparkly tiara lost its shine. The babies hugged each other, scared of the brownness all around. But wait, here comes the brave prince with pink unicorns, fairies, and even gnomes.
Your brown sadness will not win, witch.
They all worked together to make the grumpy witch laugh.
Wiggle, wiggle. Laugh, witch, laugh.
And guess what? It worked. The witch let out a big chuckle. Like magic, pink colors started popping up everywhere.
Too much color. I'm out of here.